When you're in the mall, grocery store, or on campus, you see someone wearing a custom t-shirt. In the mall, they may be wearing the latest Just Do It t-shirt by Nike. In the grocery store, they may be wearing a t-shirt from the latest concert they attended. On campus, it may be an athlete wearing a shirt for the sport that they play. I've been making custom t-shirts for about 5 years now. I'm Google and YouTube educated, trial and error perfected. I will demonstrate how to create a custom t-shirt and express yourself through apparel. The steps to doing this is design, cutting, weeding, and pressing. When you design, you think of what you want to put on the shirt. Is it going to be a picture or a saying, a quote? Once you've come up with that idea, you go to the computer, you program it, you create the size, what kind of text that you'd like to be in. Once you've done that, you send it to this machine here, which is called a plotter. A plotter cuts out the designs onto vinyl, which is your material. And once you've decided what type of material you're going to use, if it's going to be vinyl as such, you feed it into your plotter. Once you've cut your design, which is just like sending the information for term paper or midterm paper or assignment for homework, how you send it from the computer to the printer, same theory here. Only difference is that this cuts it out of the vinyl. Once it's cut out the vinyl, the third step in the process is weeding the material. What weeding is taking the excess vinyl away from around the design. So once you're done with weeding it, you'll end up with a design as such that's ready for pressing. This is your quality control point, the weeding area. You match this with the original design to make sure that it was cut out all the way correctly and that all aspects of the design is in there. Once you've done that, you take that part and you come to the press. This is a heat press. It has a capability of heating up from anywhere from 284 degrees to 430 degrees. Depending on the material that you're using, depends on your temperature. Once you put it there, you press it for about a minute, minute and a half, depending on your material. Once it's pressed, you open it up and you have a complete finished product, a custom-made t-shirt. I have gone over the steps what it takes to create a custom t-shirt. We've gone from the design to the cutting to the weeding to the pressing. Once you've done all this, you have your complete design. With the customization, you can put a design on anything that crosses your mind. If you're a sports fan as I am, you can make your design that says your sports team. If you have a religious background or belief, you can show the world that no matter what, God above all. I've gone over all the steps of design, cutting, weeding, pressing, and I have also demonstrated how to create a custom t-shirt and express yourself with apparel. Excuse me. When anything crosses your mind, you can print it on a shirt. Some things you can say, you can't say, but you can always wear it. Like, what point am I supposed to care?